Oh, hey there. How you guys doing today? Welcome to YouTube. My name is Robert Palacio with Palacio Media Fresno. I'm going to show you guys how to cut a watermelon the perfect way, the easy way. Let's go and dive into this. So, first you're going to need a watermelon, of course. Watermelons are pretty juicy, so you're going to need a cutting board. You're going to need a sharp knife. Make sure to be safe with this. You don't want to cut yourself. Keep your hands away from the knives. Be very careful cutting this. If you're under 18, make sure you have your parents do this for you. I also have a bowl here prepared for the cut watermelon, and we'll go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the trash can real quick to put all the rind in the trash can. You can go ahead and also compost that rind. My compost pile is a little bit full right now, so we're gonna go ahead and just throw away the rind of the watermelon into the trash. So let me go and grab that. Alrighty, so you have your watermelon on your side with a sharp knife. Keep your hands away over here. You're gonna hold the watermelon and you're just gonna cut into it. Okay? You're gonna cut in on one side of it. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna enable us to sit it up right. And with this, we're just gonna be peeling back the rind. And as you go and cut through this, you're gonna be seeing the red, where the red comes out. And you wanna save as much red of the watermelon, of course, as you can. And you're gonna cut down and to the side. So just take your time, listen to some music if you ought to. And you're gonna rotate the watermelon. And as you see here, we're getting to the red part. So now we're getting to the red part. You just want to shave off whatever rind you don't like. Some of the rind has nutritious parts to it, so it's kind of good to keep it in if you can. But you're just going to step and repeat. And see, look, minimal red. You just want to cut off that rind, nothing else. See, look at that, mostly rind. A little bit of red. And this rind, we're gonna go ahead and discard it. You always wanna cut away from yourself when you're cutting something. And you wanna be very, very safe. Take your time. And this is the way you're gonna maximize how much watermelon you're gonna get. I'm a big fan of watermelon. I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and be cutting here. Just take your time. See where my left hand is? It's always away from the knife. You're just gonna hold down. See how my hand slipped right now? You gotta be careful with that. Gotta be very careful. And see my hands away, I'm keeping my thumbs. And look at that, just a little bit of rind. Be one with the watermelon. I've cut a few watermelons like this before, so I'm pretty well at what I'm doing right now, and it's worked out for me. as we get closer to this, we just want to think about how we're going to cut it. But look at that. That's a whole nice, beautiful watermelon. Minimal red. You think, Robert, what are you going to do here? What's up with this? Well, very carefully, I might have to sacrifice some of this red here. Just going to go ahead. Ta-da, look at that. We did lose some red there, but hey, we got a whole watermelon, so can't complain. Look at that, we have a whole watermelon. And on this side, since we've been cutting down, it still has a little bit more rind. We're gonna flip it over, bam. Keep the knife away from you. When you're cutting, don't do this at home. Go to a friend's house. Keep that knife away from you, from your hands, from your body, from your friends. Okay, dokie. I'm going to wash my hands again just to be safe. Make sure to always wash your hands before handling fruits and vegetables. I got this rind here, I'm just going to go ahead and discard it. So now you're thinking, Rob, what are you going to do here now? Well, there's different ways you can cut this now. With me, I like to think of portions, servings. So you wanna make it bite-sized. You don't want people sticking a whole huge watermelon piece in their mouth and they're chewing on it for half an hour. So I'm gonna cut this down. I'm gonna dice them. And look, yum. Got a nice diced watermelon. I was able to save most of it. And now you can just begin cutting at it however you see fit. Cut off this slice. I'm gonna go ahead and dice it now. And this whole process probably takes about 10 minutes, you know, but it's very easy to eat. Look at that, man, beautiful. We are in September right now, so watermelon's kind of getting out of season, but we do live in the fruit basket of the nation, which is Fresno, California. We could get fruit all year round. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that and throw it in the bowl. Just have fun with it, you know? This watermelon's pretty juicy, so hopefully it's a good one. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it down, you know, shave it like a ham. And dice it. Make sure you have a sharp knife. A sharp tool is a good tool. I'm going to put it on its side just to be a little bit more safer. And now I'm going to cut it in half right in the heart of the watermelon. So, look at that, yum. Because we've been cutting it in a square way, It's very easy to stand. It's not moving around. I'm gonna go ahead and just continue cutting this. Let's see here. I like to throw in a variety of chunks. You never know how much watermelon someone wants. I'm just dicing it. And look at that, perfect little bite-sized chunks. Stay nice and flat. And I personally think dicing is the best way. Yum, look at this. We almost have a finished product right here. Make sure your hands are nice and clean, that you're not touching anything else while you're doing this, because if you're feeding other people, you want to make sure you're very sanitary. And look at that. Voila, yum. A perfectly diced watermelon. And we're about 12 minutes into this video, which isn't too bad. And now we got a whole thing of watermelon. It's ready for the refrigerator and ready to enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.